Welcome to Unleashing the Power of Filmora 13, a comprehensive guide. In this video, we will explore the amazing features and capabilities of Filmora 13 that will take your video editing skills to new heights. So, let's dive right in. Filmora 13 comes packed with powerful tools, allowing you to create stunning videos effortlessly. One standout feature is the advanced motion tracking. Whether you want to add text, graphics, or effects to a moving object, Filmora 13 has got you covered. But that's not all. Filmora 13 also introduces the audio mixer feature, which enables you to fine-tune the audio in your projects. With its intuitive interface, you can easily adjust volume levels, add audio effects, and control audio fading. Say goodbye to uneven audio levels. Now, let's talk about the enhanced color correction tool. Filmora 13 provides an array of professional color grading options, allowing you to enhance the look and feel of your footage. From basic adjustments to advanced color grading, Filmora 13 gives you complete control over the visual aesthetics of your videos. Next up, we have the split screen feature. With Filmora 13, creating engaging multi-screen layouts is a breeze. Simply drag and drop your video clips into the split screen template, adjust the size and position, and voila! Your video will stand out from the crowd. Last but not least, Filmora 13 now supports 4K editing. With this capability, you can work with high-resolution footage and ensure your videos look sharp and vibrant, even on the largest screens. Say hello to stunning visuals. And there you have it, a sneak peek at the incredible features offered by Filmora 13. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned editor, Filmora 13 is your ultimate video editing companion. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates and tutorials. Happy editing!